It's another weekend, and this is Capital Market live on Channels Television. Thank you so much for joining us. I'm Temple Ashaju. Now, during the week, the central bank released the Purchasing Managers Index data for the month of May 2017. It's a monthly survey which gauges sentiment in the manufacturing and non-manufacturing sectors. The manufacturing PMI in this period expanded to a 26-month high, settling at 52.5 points compared to the 51.1 points in the month of April, and that's making it the second consecutive increase in 2 months. Now, the improvement in the manufacturing index was driven largely by increases in the production level, that is 58.7 points. The impact of the improvement in FX liquidity and accessibility was evident in the performance of the manufacturing subsectors, as 10 out of the 16 subsectors expanded in May in the same period. Now, the positive PMI numbers shows that macroeconomic fundamentals are improving, therefore impacting on equities markets, where investors have now shifted attention to in recent times. On capital markets this evening, we'll reflect on the performance of equities in the just-ended month of May, as a research analyst will be joining us to explain how the market surged to a 31,000 psychological mark from around 24,000 in just 1 month. But before that session, let's look at some of the news from the markets. Now we'll begin with the story from the MSCI. Nigeria weighting in frontier markets moved this week as announced by Morgan Stanley Capital International. It increased the weighting assigned to Nigerian stocks to 7.9% from 6.5% previously in its frontier markets basket of equities. Now, the index designed to track and measure stock markets was rebalanced by Morgan Stanley on Thursday, and new weightings take immediate effect. The MSCI Frontier Market Index Nigeria comprises 16 companies listed on the Nigerian Stock Exchange, such as Nigerian Breweries, GT Bank, Zenith Bank, Nestle, Dangote Cement, Forte Oil, Seplat, and FBN Holdings. The MSCI report says there will be no specific review of securities in the MSCI Nigeria Specific Index or Composite Index following the ongoing issues with the foreign exchange markets. Meantime, Nigeria's status in the MSCI Frontier Markets Index remain under consideration for a standalone reclassification. And the management of the Nigerian Stock Exchange this week launched another initiative geared towards the promotion of investor education in the markets. Called X Academy, the program looks to enhance financial literacy in the Nigerian capital market at large. Let's listen to what the CEO of the Nigerian Stock Exchange, Mr. Oscar Onyema, says about this new program.
X Academy is a knowledge platform of the Nigerian Stock Exchange designed to provide education services to individuals who want to gain a better understanding of various aspects of the capital markets. The Academy will offer a wide range of courses geared towards bridging the knowledge gap of investors and issuers about products and services of the capital market. It is also a platform to enhance financial literacy and inclusion and build on our track record of pushing the boundaries of financial education in Nigeria. X Academy will offer programs built around 6 broad themes, which include listings and trading on the Nigerian Stock Exchange, products of the Nigerian Stock Exchange, market data and technology, financial education, corporate governance, and risk management and compliance. The training programs at X Academy will provide individuals and businesses with a robust and effective array of training solutions that will ensure our participants are abreast with trends in the rapidly evolving financial markets. Our programs will be facilitated by seasoned and certified subject matter experts with both local and international exposure to practical experience. These programs will be delivered in person, in classroom settings, as well as online through webinars, and are designed to optimize the learning experience. As a socially responsible organization devoted to enhancing the fortunes of Nigerians and our investors, we are confident that participants of programs offered by X Academy will be better positioned to make informed financial decisions.
CEO of the Nigerian Stock Exchange there, Mr. Oscar Onyema. Now let's look at what that market produced for investors this week. Trading this week took place in just 4 trading sessions, and that's as a result of the public holiday declared by the federal government of Nigeria to commemorate the Democracy Day on May 29th of this year. Now again, stretching to 8 sessions, the market closed the week 794 basis points week on week. Notwithstanding the possibility of profits taken during the week and this period, investors are really certain that next week we'll still see more gains in the Nigerian equity market. And for what came in this week, all share index crossed the 31,000 psychological line within 2 days to 31,371.63, rising 7.94%, with a market capitalization now gravitating towards 11 trillion naira, as it stands currently at 10.845 trillion naira. Volume turned over in the market came in at 2.319 billion and valued at 23.813 billion naira in 22,310 deals. Now, for the top traded sectors, we've got the financial services sector. In terms of volume, it went as high as 1.950 billion naira. That's 84% of the total activities that took place week to date on the platform of the Nigerian Stock Exchange. The consumer goods sector and conglomerates came next. In terms of the market breadth, it was really positive by 61 gainers versus 12 decliners. And top on the list of gainers is First Bank, which are FBN Holdings, which went as high as 6 naira 42 kobo.